last weekend, I had the bright idea of going to take pictures in the rain. You know, it's something that I've always wanted to do. Unfortunately, yeah, I wasn't too smart about it because I did it with a black car. And as you can see, she is hit. Oh my gosh, this thing is so bad. It is whooped officially. But nothing a little elbow grease and some soap can't fix. So let's go ahead and get it started. But before we get started, what could the day be without a cold start? Oh, yeah. Oh, we back in business, baby. Sheesh. Okay, so I know it's hard to keep a black car clean, but man, when it is clean, there's nothing better. I don't care what you say. Well, that is going to be it for today, guys. So please like, subscribe, hit the post notifications, and I'm going to catch you in the next one.